Hey everybody, good morning. Hey, I was told yesterday when I did my roast beef for you guys and how to cook it that I may have been a little insensitive to some people that are not really into eating meat. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make a basically vegetarian omelet. I've taken 2 eggs, broke them into this bowl, chopped up a little bit of garlic, some salt and pepper. Okay, get that all set. I'm going to turn our heat on here. Now you're going to want to put a little bit of butter in the pan. That's how to keep your eggs from sticking. So just a little bit of butter, you know, keeping it vegetarian. Right there in the pan. All right, we're going to let that heat up for a second. So, I guess I was being, I don't know, a little insensitive to people's, choice on what they eat. Just calling them out on that stuff. Kind of like how vegetarians and vegans call out everybody else and try to push their agenda on everybody else. But, no, I'm not going to do that today. So we're just going to talk about making this omelet, okay? So get that butter all over the bottom of the pan there, okay? After you get those eggs whipped up, just going to pour that right there in the bottom of the pan. You don't want to go the heat too high on it because you don't want it to cook super fast. You want to give you time to get your other extras in here. So, I'm going to grab our spinach. Put a little spinach in there. That's nice, isn't it? There's a little bit of spinach. Yeah, that's good. And we're going to put a little tomato in there. How's that? A little bit of tomato. There we go. Right up in there. And, well, it seems like we're missing something. We have cheese. We're missing something. Hey, I know. Let's use the bacon after it's pre-cooked. Let's get that in there. Because this pig was strictly fed a diet of non-meat. So, basically vegan, right? There we go. Let's get that all mixed up in there. That's some good stuff. Now that we've got that all in there, got our eggs starting to cook a little bit. Let's throw some cheese on top. Our vegan whole milk cheese. There we go. Get that right in there. Yeah. Nice vegan whole milk cheese. Now, those of you that are upset that I don't know, as I was told, expanding my carbon footprint by eating meat, there's also a little something for you. Let's say you eat vegan and you live longer, okay? The extra life you live, you're putting more of your carbon footprint on the world. So, who's doing worse? That's for science to say. And I'm going with it. I'm doing my thing. You do your thing, and you leave my thing alone. How's that? Isn't that the way the world's supposed to work? So, got that omelet folded in half there. We're going to let that cook a little more on that side. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? You guys want to come and take a look? Let me come over and take a look. Look at that. That beautiful little omelet right there. Let's go ahead and get that thing flipped over so we get the cheese that's on this side of it all melted. Ooh. Doesn't that look yummy? So there we go. Basically, vegetarian omelet. Because everything in it 8 vegetables. Okay, here we go. I'll go ahead and put our basically vegetarian omelet right there. I'll grab ourselves a little bit of salsa. There we go. Get that right out there like that. That's how we want it. And just, you know, cap it off. I'm going to take some of this whole milk cheese made from vegetarian cows. So in the transitive properties, it must be vegetarian as well. There we go. Beautiful little, mostly vegetarian omelet. All right, so you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm going to enjoy my mostly vegetarian omelet. You guys come on back to Kevin's Kitchen anytime you want. We'll make something nice.